Hello, Ramona. I am making this video to show you how to access your unofficial transcripts. One of the reasons why this is important is because you discussed having classes that you wanted to be waived out of. This is just a standard thing that every student needs to do to apply to any program at CCBC or at a four-year institution. So because you were already previously at CCBC, I will show you how to do it. You click on My CCBC. And that takes you to this new screen where you sign in. I'm signing into mine to show you how to do it. And you can do this for yourself. Of course, you have to send yourself a push notification. Alrighty. Okay. This shows my profile. And it is updating. I clicked on academics. And as you can see here, it has a bunch of different information. Alrighty. So I am going to look how to upload my student info. Okay. And so what you do is you essentially, where it says final grades, you can look here, but to get the official copy of all of the information, you go over here to Simon Online Services. And then it will give you a different screen. Okay. And then I'm going to go over to where it says Students. And then Official Transcript, Academic Transcript. So what we want here is the academic transcript for your unofficial academic transcript. And then typically it'll say all levels, or just, download everything that you have and hit submit. And then what it will do is give this listing of all of the courses you've ever taken here at CCBC. And I went here for a long time on and off, so it has a bunch of courses listed here for me. Okay, from here I would right click, and then click select all, and then right click again. And you can either click print selection or click copy. I like to click copy and open up a Word file. And that way, when I have a Word document, I can just right click and click paste. And here are all your transcripts. Or if you click print selection, you can save it to a PDF and then click save. And this will save it to your desktop. And then you can put your name, but I'll put my initials. And then save it. And that way that's saved on your desktop. So at this point, when you go to any type of class, or we will go to the class for the sleep technology application, you will see here when you go in your own profile. But in content, you can then go to submit proof of high school graduation or transcripts, and then click add attachments, upload, and you can upload the document that you just created, which is Rachel Academic Transcripts. it'll say it's listed here and click update. And that will send that directly over to me. And this is what I'm going to do with this information. I'm going to print it out and put it in your folder. But what I'm also going to do, and I'm going to do this before you come in for your orientation, is I'm going to fill out all of your waivers. And the reason why that's important is because I don't want you to have to pay for a class again that you've already taken. So hopefully you can follow these directions pretty quickly, and then that way, and on the back end, before you come in for your orientation on the 1st, I can have all this stuff done. Alrighty. And if you have any other questions or you want me to explain anything, I really like this way of communicating via video, especially when we're walking through your anything that to click through a computer, because that way you can watch me do it, and then it'll make more sense for you. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Thank you very much.